Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan and welcome po to another episode of Damayan. Mga kaibigan, it is Thursday and ako, napakainit na and still malapit na ang mid-January. Mga topics po ngayon and very interesting para po sa ating pag-usapan portion. Makakasama ko po si Mr. Alfredo Celada Jr., CEO of the Philippine Association of Interpreters for Deaf Empowerment and also the Talent. Ang topic natin is PAIDE to the 10th Power, a concert in sign language for the deaf empowerment. And para po sa process.
One of our sign language trainers,
yes.
She became deaf when she was 12 years old.
I see.
So,
is it harder, let's say, if you're going to train someone to do sign language or to understand sign language, medyo mahirap ba ang born deaf, inborn na bingi yung pasyente natin or yung dating nakakarinig tapos all of a sudden hindi na makarinig?
Depende yan. Ang importante kasi yung acceptance. Whether pinanganak ka ng deaf, kailangan yung acceptance that you are deaf. And
okay.
If you were born hearing, na naging deaf ka, acceptance pa rin ang importante.
Okay. Kasi siyempre minsan, di ba, like if you were born with hearing, tapos then you will be, you will become deaf.
Yeah.
Medyo magsasuffer ang ating self-esteem, di ba, yung self-confidence. So, maaring yung isang pasyente ay ayaw nang mag-come out of their shell. But what's important is that positive attitude na sabihin natin, okay, bingi ako, pero I still have to function like a normal human being, which is what PAIDE is doing, no? Oo, so...
Sa PAIDE po, ang tinitry namin talaga mostly yung mga hearing to and different professions to learn the language of the deaf. So ginagawa namin na para maging isang sign language interpreter sila. So like me, I'm a teacher, so I'm also a sign language interpreter. And surgeon is also psychologist, so sign language interpreter po siya. So we have also doctors, lawyers in our organization.
So you work as a team
to be
able to improve the quality of our deaf citizens dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so meron po tayong mga programa. Like, how do you put them on the program? Let's say, okay, paano nyo po napipili yung inyong mga tinuturuan?
Well, ang training namin talaga sa hearing. For students and professionals who would like to become interpreter for the deaf.
I see. So talagang interpreter.
Yeah,
so
interpreters.
Is it, so para bang you have the hearing and then you make sure that our deaf citizens are able to understand. So ano rin ito, may mga testing din ito.
Meron kaming sister school.
Their parents, how they did at school, di ba? Kung maganda ang grades or any particular experience. So dapat at least ang ating mga magulang through the sign language of the child will be able to tell the excitement and kung ano ang nangyayari sa araw ng kanyang anak.
Yes.
Okay. And then going back to the concert, how long is this concert at saka anong klaseng mga songs po ito? May OPM ba or is it rock or
variety yung mga songs po. So, definitely yung mga audience po yung mag-i-enjoy sila sa concert. So, that will be 7 to 9 p.m. So, January 27. Maraming iba rin mga costumes na mag-i-enjoy mga At the same time, mga konting gimmick for of course. Kasi we do this para ma-empower mga deaf. No? So, this is a purpose na kung bakit we have concert in sign language. Not really for sign language interpreters, but for the deaf, to empower the deaf. Community.
This will be
deaf and hearing.
Deaf and hearing. For the deaf, of course, because this will be incredible for them to have a full concert, enjoy the music through sign language, and also like for the hearing to experience something new because it is incredible to be doing something like this.
And we also have guest performers. Day School Sign Choir. We have the dynamic dancers and of course Miss Chinching Gutierrez.
Wow, Miss Chinching Gutierrez also.
She will join the concert.
Okay. Naku, so talagang there's a lot in store, no? So I'm sure napaka-excited yung...
Very much.
Okay, so would you like to take this opportunity once again to invite our televiewers or anybody to watch this concert and any parting words po that you might want to share with our televiewers?
I would like to thank first Damayan and Mr. William T. for inviting us over. I would like to invite everybody to watch our concert this January 27. It's a Saturday, 7 in the evening at the PLM Life Theater. You may call our number at 534-5512 for tickets and for other inquiries. Thank you very much.